Alright guys, busy day at the shop. I'm here by myself. My partner Cisco couldn't be in. Very busy with family stuff. Right now what we're doing is detailing a truck. We're gonna also do an exterior detail on the Bronco we have on the other side, 1987 I believe. We have a Tesla that we just finished tinting, and we have the EQS 450 Plus all done with the full body PPF. So a pretty crazy day. We gotta ceramic coat that thing, and we gotta get these out of here. So make sure you tap in for the best work in the city. Wash, clayed, decon, polished, and right now what I'm doing is just putting a topper on it, a 6-month sealant. What this truck really needs is a paint correction. Being that's in the shade, it looks really good, but if we were to put it out into the sun, we would still see some water spots, swirl marks, scratches that aren't present in the paint that you cannot see in the shade. But as far as, like, you know, for doing a medium coverage, it looks really good. I'm pretty sure when he comes here and then all his trim is dressed and everything is done 100% and everything is complete, this truck is going to look pretty nice. As far as the glossiness and the shininess, definitely on point. 10 out of 10. Make sure you tap in. Alright guys, make sure you like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that little bell. That way you get notified every time we upload a brand new video. We have a lot more content coming on the way, so make sure you tap in. Alright guys, thank you for tuning back in. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that raffle that we promised you guys. We said whoever commented a car under our last video on YouTube, we were gonna give them a chance to win $50, either Zelle, Venmo, whatever form of payment you would choose. So we're getting right down to it. I got the names right here of all the contestants, everybody who commented. Somebody said that they were hungry. Well, I hope you're hungry, because today you might win yourself a free meal. So let's go. I'm gonna shuffle it up a little bit right here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. Tap in. All right, let's go. Ready? Ah! All right. If I say your name wrong, I'm sorry, but the winner is Yemi Glover. I don't know. Whoever you are, make sure you tap in. Hit us up on Instagram, The Detailed Clinic. Let us know that you show a little bit of proof. We'll sell you the funds. We'll Venmo you the funds, whatever it is. Make sure you tap in.